station in my little hometown. Had a heart of gold, no formal education, must have been 20 or thereabout. Ernie had a smile and an eye for Ellie, homecoming queen of 83. Ellie had a thing for the football king. Ernie didn't have a chance or a diamond ring. Life left Ellie with a broken heart and a baby in her arms. Ernie never gave up hope or faith that Ellie would love him someday. 'Cause oh, when love is forever, oh, forever is worth the wait. Oh, when love is forever, you just keeping on, keeping the faith. Ellie had a car and a baby seat she found down at the Goodwill store. Ernie made sure they had enough to eat. He always left something at Ellie's door. Little by little Ellie saw the light in Ernie's eyes. So she gave him an invitation to a dance. He gave her carnations and he held her hand. Oh, and love is forever, oh, forever is worth the wait. Oh, and love is forever, you just keeping on, keeping the faith. Now Ellie knows love in a brand new light. She and the baby kiss Ernie goodnight. I don't think Ernie ever had a doubt how his love and his life would turn out. 'Cause oh, when love is forever, oh, forever is worth the wait. Oh, when love is forever, you just keeping on, keeping the faith. Oh, when love is forever, oh, forever is worth the wait. Oh, when love is forever, you just keeping on, keeping the faith.
Did you ever wake up with bullfrogs on your mind? Did you ever wake up with bullfrogs on your mind? That's a sure sign, boy, you got bullfrogs on your mind. You got sugar on the right, sugar on the left. You don't know what to do. Was there running in the front door, creeping out the back? Here's good advice for you. Don't you ever let your right hand know what your left hand do.